tape off. Okay. Perfect. Before we get too crazy, let's go ahead and just get other things prepped. Documentation here. Should be the second or third page that gives us some specifics. Smell the soldering iron heating up. Let's make sure nothing's touching that. All right, so here's the setting that I was referring to. So there's a programming button. Does not require programming unless you want to reassign. So yeah, this is pretty out of the box, which is nice. That's why I like these pack harnesses versus the Metra or the iData Link. Okay, so we have a KENWOOD, that's a 3. We have the headphone jack. See above chart, yep. And then, yep, so we want blue, yellow. KENWOOD only, never JVC, that's interesting. I don't know if that's been my experience, but that might be the modern experience, so. Okay, so we're default on 0. Let's find something to turn this with. Yeah, we could probably use a pick tool or a knife to turn this, but let's just use the right tool. Flathead. So we're just going to number 3. And that's pretty much as simple as it is. That's kind of nice. So, yep, so you want to make sure to set that switch, which we did. Set radio select switch before connecting vehicle harness, yep. Radio select switch to 3. These 2 sides, which are going to be steering wheel control. And then I'm guessing, okay, this might just not be a used interface there. That might be for programming purposes, so we're good there.